the exclusive Theory Sabers Kaboom sound font, which is taking the internet by storm. As you can see, you have pulses that are going that way and toward the saber itself at the very middle. I'll let you look at the exposed crystal chamber. And you can also change your color too. You just gotta hit both of these buttons and you twist it. Let's power it down and let's try the music out for this font. And you do that just by holding the power on button for about a second and letting go. Once again, these tracks are exclusive to Theory Sabers only. I mean, it's one experience without any music. It's a completely different game when you incorporate the music. Now, I commissioned Samuel Kim for these songs years ago. They're copyright free and they're my property. So you now get them in every single Saber.